I welcome you back, my viewers. How is everything? You are watching your financial coach, Prophetess Biomomi, from Miela Life Business and Technical College, right away here in Nigeria, under bus support Ogun State. You are watching Miela Life TV. Before I go ahead, if you have not subscribed, quickly take your thumb and press that of the red subscribe button, and likewise the bell beside it. Don't forget to press the upper bell so that we always be notified while we are releasing new posts all the time. Then don't forget to like, share and comment. Like for others so that they will be able to benefit from all our posts, especially this post, because I am here to teach us what that are highly paramount for us to know in order for you to be an hero. What is the topic for this? 7 secret points you need to know for you to be an hero. The 5 secret points you need to know for you to be an hero. The first thing that you need to first of all consider if you want to be an hero is that you need to focus on the brighter side of life. You need to focus on the brighter side of life. And before I go ahead, let me define what is an hero. Hero is a person who is admired for their courage, outstanding achievement, or noble qualities. Anybody that is being admired for his or her courage and or outstanding achievement or noble qualities, they are the people that we considered as an hero. Then the second secret you now need to know for you to be an hero in any business you are doing is that do not do away from the guide or moral support of your mentor. What that simply means is that know that you need mentor or counselor and you are always following all his or her moral support, which simply means that if you want to be an hero, you must look after someone. You must be looking you must have someone in your front that you will consider as a mentor or as a counselor that will be giving you business advice, and in such of that view you will now be following all the advice is being given to you by that person. And if you can do that, because that person will be giving you that advice, is based on the experience that that person had been accumulated together through the movement of life in correlation with the in line of business achievement. And the third point you need to follow for you to be an hero in that of the business you are laying your hands upon in this new season is that always refueling yourself with the word of an encouragement. Always refueling yourself with the word of an encouragement, either through your mentor or by reading motivational books. This refueling, by refueling yourself either through the encouragement words from your mentor or through the reading of motivational books. The another step you need to follow for you to be able to be an hero in that of the business you are doing, it is that you need to avoid discouragement. Avoid discouragement. The number 5 points you need to follow is that be inspired to achieve that of your goal. Be inspired for you to achieve that of your goal. At this point, this is where I will leave you. My name is Prophet SB Omomi once more from Miela Life Business and Technical College. What I'm saying is that to be an hero, try as much as possible in this new season to be following all these 5 points that I gave us. By following all these 5 points, you will be an hero, and for you to be an hero will be easy for you. I will leave you at this point. For your business consultant or for business advice, you can call me on 080 081 sorry 081 46 28 86 88. Once more, 081 46 28 86 88. For my WhatsApp chat, if you want to WhatsApp chat me, you can chat me on 080 2325 3863. Once more, 080 2325 3863. Do not forget to be following all these 5 secrets for you to be an hero in life, or else you might not be able to get to where you are going to. Do not forget to remain financial intelligent. Bye for now.